Hello guys, welcome to Talal Al Jazeera Trucks Equipment Sharjah Industrial Area 3. Today we have this beautiful C13 engine Caterpillar for grader. You can see this engine's condition. It is very neat and clean, 100% in original condition and in working condition. If anyone needed, we have this beautiful engine. You can buy and fix in your grader. You can see all around this is very neat and clean, 100% original paint, not repainted. I am giving you all around look. You can see it's very neat and clean, 100% in working condition, 100% original Caterpillar. I'm showing you the other side. This is his other side. You can see 360-degree okay condition. This is his turbo. You can see the exhaust pipe. You can see. If anyone needed, please do contact Talal Al Jazeera Trucks Heavy Equipment Sharjah Industrial Area 3 UAE. I will mention company's number in description. So if you like our videos, please do subscribe our channel to watch more videos like these heavy equipment parts. Thank you guys.